Yes, 1 week na ako sa training. Thank you for calling PH Express. This is Nita. I can help you.
No, you can't help me. I don't like the sound of your voice.
I can help you with that.
No. Are you from here?
Where?
You sound like a native speaker.
Do
Are
I?
you Asian? You sound like Filipino. Are you? No, I don't like you. Get me somebody else.
Ha, hala mo
Get
ha.
me somebody
Nakapag-mute na ako.
else. I don't like your voice.
Nakapag-mute na ako.
I don't
Kahit
like your
magsalita ka, hindi
What are
mo
you
ko
saying?
maririnig.
What are you
Hindi
saying?
mo ko maririnig.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Maririnig. Nakamute ako.
Tita!
Yes, TL.
Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Alin po yun?
Nadidinig ko yung sinasabi mo.
Akala ko po.
Nagagalit.
Nag-ox ako eh.
Ha?
Nag-ox ako.
Ba't di nadidinig yung sinasabi? Anong ginawa mo?
Soup call. Soup call.
Balikan mo yan! Balikan mo yan! Balikan mo yan!
Opo.
Balikan mo yan! Ayusin mo yan!
Hello, ma'am.
I can hear you! I can hear what you were saying to me! I need somebody else! Somebody more competent than you!
I do
I
apologize.
don't like your voice!
I do apologize about that,
No.
ma'am. I know that you already
No, I
heard it,
don't like-
but you cannot understand it. Bye!